Hey, Black Lives Matter, man. It wouldn't be right if I didn't get y'all one of these. Bonus. Mad at again, run and tell a friend. Black Lives Matter, this one for Sandra Bland. Gotta peep the subliminals that they throw around. Can I have a moment for Eric Garner and Michael Brown? Defend yourself against attackers. It's kill or be killed. It's time to stay strapped up. Just keeping it real, they trying to extract us and think of different things they can do to try to distract us. Whoa, I know you peep it. Show me that you peep it. We gon' start a society. Let's keep it a secret. Kill another. We gon' riot. I pledge an allegiance. Told myself I wasn't gon' rob, but they gave me a reason. Yeah, understand the totality. This that Black Panther mentality. Government pockets getting fat. I wanna gun us down and lock us up, but Black Lives Matter. I'm just saying, who ain't got no bars? Y'all rock with me, I'ma rock with y'all, man. Had to kill him with the Drizzy flow.